Welcome to JLG University. Today we're going to take a look at back probing one of these control modules on a JLG telehandler. This can also be done on SkyTrak telehandlers with the same style control modules. You're watching JLG University. Subscribe for the latest content and keep training within reach. Typically, in order to back probe one of these modules, you need to get into one of these connectors right here. As you can see, you've got zip ties, there's a cover. It's kind of tough to get in there, so essentially you'd have to disassemble this connector in order to back probe it. Today we're going to look at testing the park brake switch inputs. So before we do that, we'll need to go take a look at the schematic, so that way we know what pin number and plug we're looking for in order to monitor this circuit. J1F4. Now that we found the plug and pin number, we want to plug in our analyzer and turn on the machine. First thing we want to do is navigate to the access level, because we need to be in elevated access to find this. So we'll hit enter. Now that we're in access level 1, we will navigate to the diagnostics menu, hit enter, and then look for the module that we're trying to find. Debug other is mainly for different options that are available on the machine. This stands for rear frame control module, inputs and outputs, front frame control module, and cab control module, inputs and outputs. We will hit enter because that's the one we're looking for. We're looking for a digital input, so we will hit enter again. Now we will locate the connector and pin number that we're looking for. In this case, it was J1F4. Now that we found the plug and pin number, what we're going to do is flip the switch back and forth to see if the input changes from high to low. Now just to clarify, we have it in the key on position, engine not running, so we're only testing the digital inputs of this switch. The front brakes are spring applied and hydraulically released, so we will not release the brakes if the engine is not running. So I'm going to go ahead and release the park brake switch, and you can see it change to low. I flip it back and it will now go to high. So that about sums it up. Debug is a great tool for back probing these modules without actually having to pull any of these covers off. I hope this video has been helpful and a good time saver for you guys out there in the field. Thank you for watching JLG University. Until next time.